doing? Let's go. We've been waiting on y'all for like minutes.
Shut up. We've been waiting on you for like 30 minutes.
I done had a birthday.
Happy birthday, Will.
What's that, like 70 of them now?
Ooh.
Will's like 35.
That's true. Compared to Kevin,
Kevin's like 7.
that's true.
This
Kevin
is,
got more gray
this
hair
is
than
us
Will.
daily around the shop. I might actually have more gray than Will. I don't know. Definitely in my beard. So we're off to PRI. And we're flying out of Orlando.
Oh, we're going to drive a big
Direct
truck.
you didn't drive. You should have gone the other way, but you know.
Oh, okay.
Because who knows what's going to happen in the industrial park here. You never know what you might encounter in the industrial park.
Bunch of people doing burnouts or something.
There's our people that do burnouts around here. It's the strangest thing. Anywho, next stop, Indy. All right, what's this nonsense you talking?
All right, we're gonna play a game, a travel game. Right, there's 4 of us. When we get to the gate, we play rock, paper, scissors. Loser has to clap when the plane lands. Loud.
I'm down.
All right. Yeah, we're doing that.
I thought we were doing it right now.
Okay, are we doing it?
Is it
No,
everybody?
no, hold on. I'm not mentally ready yet. No, we can't do it yet. I'm just telling y'all about it now.
I thought we were going to do it right here on the escalator.
Because we gotta figure out if it's best.
The escalator.
Is it just like one and done, or?
Well, we have to negotiate that. Is it? What's our? Hold on. We're going there. That says Southwest.
Yeah. We're gate 127.
Gate 127. Well, I mean, we got to work out the steps. Like, is it 1v1 or is it?
No. It's all. Thank you. It's all the same time, right?
Okay, and then the winners move on.
Yeah, winners. No, losers move on to pick the final loser because only one loser has to clap.
Yeah. Oh,
Yeah.
Okay.
So if 2 people win, 2 people lose, the 2 losers go against each other.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hey, that's a nice shirt.
No, that doesn't work on me, buddy.
Oh, they got a Christmas tree.
So
Okay.
this is where I leave you.
Oh, whatever. Oh yeah, Eddie's got TSA pre-check.
Yeah.
I should have TSA
You've been
pre-check.
saying it for years.
It's literally been way too long. I think it is.
I think it is. It's too bad.
Yeah, but they take priority over this line. It does say only 6 to 9 minutes. Sweet. All right, now go.
All right, here's the deal. Everybody's in this. Rock, paper, scissors. Loser has to clap when the plane lands.
And cheer.
I mean, I'm just clapping and going, woo! Yeah, that's it. That's all. If I lose.
Okay.
So are we doing best 2 out of 3 or no? Or are we just going straight to it?
No, I like
no,
the 2 losers.
Yeah.
Well, no, there might possibly be 3 losers.
There could
no,
be.
I don't know
Or
how it
there
all
could
works
be
out.
just one
It's going to
loser.
be complicated
Yeah,
with
it
4
could
of
be.
us. So.
We just start it and then figure it out. All right?
All right.
I let y'all idiots do it. I'll just watch.
Nope.
Oh.
You're in it. All right? That's a nice shirt.
Will's like,
You got a nice shirt. That's a nice shirt.
okay, there's a trick to that. If you guys playing rock, paper, scissors, did you
All right,
know that?
ready?
You say nice shirt, they do.
All right, ready?
I forget what it is.
It's rock, paper, scissors, and then you do it on shoot. Right? Ready? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
We all paper. What are the odds of that? Come on.
Ready?
I don't wait. I don't remember the other
We
one.
all tied. You got rock and then scissors.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, I'm old. It's been a long time since I played this. Okay.
All right, let's go. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. So it's you 2 against each other. We won. It's you 2 against each other.
Damn it. I might be obnoxious.
The more obnoxious, the better.
Oh, this is gonna be fun.
Please help us with the following safety-related items as we prepare for departure. Small electronic devices such
CJ
as cell
doesn't
phone
have a
and
clue.
tablet
No.
can be used at all phases of flight in airplane mode.
Let's go, Disney.
Cellular function.
We haven't even taken off. Look at it. Look at him. Just look at him. He don't even know. He don't even know what's happening right now. CJ out too? Nope, CJ's awake. We haven't even left yet. He can sleep anywhere. And here we go. These things keep digging. I wonder what the G actually is. Look at a blind up over there behind us. Waiting our turn. Still sleeping. Let's go. Nice clear night here in Florida. Not gonna be the same in Indy. Spooling it up. Spooling it up and go. Yeah. You're rehearsing on the flight?
Oh yeah. I'm like,
That
what
was,
should I say?
That
I
was
should
solid.
say something.
That was solid. I'll give you that was solid.
Yeah, that was great.
Oh, we have made it to Indy. Is that what you said?
Birds landed. Back on solid.
I heard back on solid ground because I was cracking up so much. Oh. All right, well, we doing anything tonight?
Anybody else hungry?
No.
Oh, I'm kind of hungry.
I probably got a water fountain around here, right there. Their tree's not as big as Orlando's. Step your game up, Indy. The thingies in the ceiling are kind of cool, though. You gonna go stand by the Indy?
Oh, that?
Yeah, you're supposed to make it.
I'll make it an eye.
Make it an eye.
My picture that.
Nerd. I didn't get far enough away from you. Whatever.
I didn't really want to picture. You're the nerd taking a video on his own Christmas tree.
I'm trying to get some more footage. I got to decide if I'm going to do this video by itself or combine it with
I think we go downstairs, down the back of the boat.
taxi, maybe. I might combine this with tomorrow. I don't know.
Oh.
Hi, Justin.
Hey, buddy.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you
Good
doing?
to see you.
What y'all up here doing?
Just came to hang out in the cold.
Yeah, me too.
We thought we'd get out of Florida and
We're not in Florida anymore.
come freeze.
When you can see your breath coming off the aircraft.
Mm-hmm.
We ain't in Kansas no more. What up, man? How you doing, bro? How y'all doing? Who y'all here with? Yourself?
Just coming, yeah. Just coming. How about you?
Pretty much ourselves.
Oh, cool. Cool. Dang, look at his house.
Too bad we spent 5 minutes standing outside because you didn't figure out the code to get in until after the Uber left.
Yep, we did. I never got the email.
I mean, okay.
I never got an email with instructions on how to get in the door. So I kicked the door in. No, it actually ended up being my phone number for the code. So that worked. And it was cool. I should have videoed with our driver because he knew us. That was kind of cool.
Yeah, well, he knew you.
Well, if he knew me, he knew all y'all. So maybe. Yeah, that's a head bunker right there, though.
Yes, it is. Yes, it is. All I saw was white. I'm like, oh. Kept walking. Wham!
All right, well, that may wrap up this video. I don't know. See how much footage I got and if this one's worth posting by itself. Maybe I'll just post it by itself because that makes it easy to just do a day 0 and then a day 1 and a day 2 and a day 3. All right. If it's the end, we'll see you tomorrow.